Good day everyone. So in this video, we were going to apply the power supply into Tinkercad. So let's proceed. First, ang gagamitin po natin is breadboard and also the resistor and the power supply. Okay. And then lastly, the multimeter. Okay. So una, i-connect natin ang power supply sa breadboard. So negative to negative, then positive to positive. Then change the color. Kung positive, red. To negative and black. Then ilalagay na po natin yung resistor. There. Rotate lang natin. Then, okay. Then, wiring na tayo. So, ilalagay natin yung wire dito. And yung terminal 1, is i-connect lang natin sa row kung nasan yung wire. Then, same goes to the terminal 2. Then, i-connect natin siya sa negative. Then, black. Same dito. Black din. Then, papalitan naman natin yung resistance. Oh, wait lang. Okay. So, papalitan natin siya ng 54.50 para makuha natin yung flow ng current na 220. Then, palitan lang natin yung power supply ng 12 volts kasi ang kailangan natin dito is 12 volts. Then, connect natin yung multimeter sa first terminal ng resistor and sa negative naman sa second terminal ng resistor. Change it into black lang. Then, here you go. Once na pinindot nyo yung run, ayan po mismo ang lalabas. Which is sa multimeter, we have 12 volts. Then, sa resistance naman natin, ayan, yung proof na 54.50 ang nilagay natin. Then, lalabas is 220. Then, nilagay natin sa power supply is 12 volts. Then, so yan, successful ang paggamit natin ng power supply into into Tinkercad. So, yun lang. Thank you so much po.